Now I am going to explain about my project called web series. First we are going to import OS. That's why we are getting all operating system in our collab. Then we are installing the API token. Then we are installing the Kaggle. Then we are installing pandas, and then we are installing pandas as PD. We are importing pandas as PD. Pandas as PD. Why we are importing pandas as PD means we are using it. Python allows us to reference the pandas library using the shorter alias. This is my dataset, which is the dataset of the web series. What I wanted to do the analysis. Here all web series titles are there, and in which year they are released, and the content rating, and this is the IMDb rating. This is Rotten Tomatoes rating. This is my dataset in which it consists of title, year release, and content rating, IMDb rating, and Rotten Tomatoes rating. This is what type of web series it is, like a crime or drama, action, adventure, like that. Then web series dot shape. We are written this code because of that how many rows and columns are present in this web series. We are going to know about that. That's why we wrote this code here. And this is web series dot head, in which it shows the first 5 elements of our data set. Then web series dot tail, in which it shows the first 5 elements, last 5 elements of our data set. Then web series dot describe, which describes our data set. And then web series dot info, in which gives the information about the data set. Now we are going to see the graph of rating given by the Rotten Tomatoes. IMDb and Rotten Tomatoes are the best platforms to give the rating, in which Rotten Tomatoes gives the rating out of 100 and IMDb gives the rating out of 10. As we saw that here, the 18 plus web series in which the highest rating in the year of 2008, and for the 16 plus it is in the year of 1994, and for the 7 plus it is in the year of 1989, and for all it is the year of 1995. It got the highest rating by given by the Rotten Tomatoes. Then it is for the IMDb rating, in which for 18 plus in the year of 2008 it got the highest rating. In 16 plus web series 2008 it got the highest rating. And for the 7 plus it is the 2005 we got the highest rating. And for all we are getting that for 2006 we have got the highest rating. This is the graph in which number of web series that come in each section, like action and adventure, animation, anime, like that. Highest web series comes under drama only. 2008 not 9 web series came under drama, and the least is the Lifetime, in which no web series came into consideration. This is the graph between both the IMDb ratings and Rotten Tomatoes rating, in which highest rating given by the IMDb is for reality. For reality shows, IMDb given the highest rating, and Rotten Tomatoes gave the highest rating for the crime. Number of web series on each platform. This is like Disney Plus, Hotstar, Amazon Prime, like that. In that, free services has the highest web series where it is streamed, the highest web series streamed in that. Ratings of each streaming platform, in which YouTube Premium got the YouTube Premium and VH1 and True TV, like that, all are the streaming platforms in which IMDb and Rotten Tomatoes give the rating for them. Highest rating of IMDb ratings is TV Land, in which it got the highest rating. In this Rotten Tomatoes we got for, in this Rotten Tomatoes also we got for the TV Land for the web series. Number of web series of more genres in major streaming platform, in which in Prime Video we are getting the drama as the most streaming web series, and in Netflix also drama only, but in Hulu it is going to comedy, and in Funimation it is going to animation. In Hoopla it is drama. In Fubo TV it is reality and documentary. And further streaming platforms, IMDb rating and IMDb rating of major genres in each streaming platform, in which in Prime Video for drama it is more rating for drama, And in Netflix, it is more for drama and action and adventure. In Hulu, it is more for action and adventure. In Funimation, it is most for animation. In Hoopla, it is most for documentary. In Fubo TV, it is most for adventure. Like that, Rotten Tomatoes also give the rating for each streaming platforms. Like Prime Video for drama, Netflix for action and adventure, Hulu for action and adventure, Funimation for reality. Like that, Hoopla and Fubo TV also give the rating. Number of series with a given number of seasons means like how many series that came into consideration in given number of seasons. Highest is 16,406 series. 16,406 episodes will come to consideration of the web series. Mean rating across seasons. This upline orange color line shows the Rotten Tomatoes rating platforms of web series, and this blue color showing the IMDb ratings. Once Rotten Tomatoes highest rating is like 1,759.8. For web series, it gave the highest rating, and for this 207.441. Because it is giving the rating out of 10, that's why for this number of seasons it gave the highest rating. This is the heat map showing by the genre, and it is the heat map for showing the IMDb rating and Rotten Tomatoes rating, in which it is showing the heat map. Thank you.